If you're looking to get your hands dirty and really integrate yourself into the field that you're interested in, this is a great place to come to. And it's also a very diverse and welcoming place as well.
My approach is very hands-on. I have them work with real clients in most of their classes, which I don't think online students get a lot of. And so I kind of force them to go out and find clients and actually do that interaction that I think is essential to communication work.
I think what makes Point Park's program unique is their emphasis on both the theoretical and the practical application. Not just how to do something, but the why and how behind what it is that they're doing.
PR is all around them all the time. You can look at anything in the news, you can look at anything going on in your life, and you can see how it affects people. And then taking that from a personal level, taking that with them as they move forward, as they go out and find jobs, to understand how much everything they do makes a difference in their job and in their world and in their lives.
This field is a marathon and not a sprint, and it's important to keep in mind that the industry is going to continue to grow, and it's important that we're fostering student growth so that they can go out there and be the next generation of leaders in our industry and doing it in an ethical way. It's not going anywhere, so.
The nice thing about PR is it's so diverse, and so you're not just leaving here with a degree where you're going to go, there's only one path to take, but that's the great thing about PR is you can be doing different things. You can be doing agency work, you can be working for a nonprofit, you can be doing special events. There's so many different things that can be that first job and you know, or the job that you're interested in doing for life.
So for someone considering the field, they need to think about what characteristics they possess that's going to get them to that finish line.
I believe so strongly in the real world experience when it comes, you know, it's not just a slogan we use at the school. I think that, especially in the PR department, we live it every day.